Hi, today I want to share with you some ways you can use bonuses to automatically make more sales. Bonuses are a fantastic way to grow your business. It can really help you increase sales, reduce refunds, and retain your customers. So today I just want to share a few ways you can use bonuses to get those extra sales. One of the best and easiest ways you can do this is you can add bonuses to your existing products. This can help boost conversions and give prospects a little extra bang for your buck. So if you have a product that's been out there or you're putting something out there and you want to boost conversions and just give people a little bit more that they'll enjoy, then you may want to put together a bonus. And what's great about that is you can offer it with your main package, so there's not too much extra setup. Example, if you have a main offer that's a copywriting guide, you can offer maybe some templates, sales letter templates as a bonus. Another idea is you can space out your bonuses. If you have a membership or a course that lasts over a period of time, you might want to space out bonuses. For example, give a first bonus upon sign up and then maybe give an additional bonus every 2 or 3 months and even a graduation bonus. This is a great way to keep people through the entire length of your membership or course, and it will help increase not only retention but also allow people to use these bonuses to help you get even more out of what you have available. Another fun thing to do is to offer a surprise bonus. Here you provide an unannounced bonus, perhaps when they've signed up on the download page, you send an email, you include it in your course. And again, this can help surpass customer expectations and reduce refunds as well. And you can also delay a bonus. This is a great idea if you're offering perhaps a higher ticket product. So you can have the bonus delivered after a certain time period. So people aren't just signing up for the bonus and then canceling. And bonuses are great to encourage people to take action. For example, you can have them get a bonus if they refer somebody, offer an incentive is usually what it's called. And another way you can do this is you can actually have incentives for people to perhaps leave you a testimonial, but you should disclose that if you are going to do that. But they can be a great way to take action. Now, I just want to take a minute here and show you a spreadsheet that I've put together on bonuses. This is something that I had where people could select bonuses off of the spreadsheet. I'm not doing that any longer, but what's nice about this is I have the bonus name and description. So if I am looking for a particular bonus, I can go on the spreadsheet and I can take a look and see what's available. If you want to incorporate bonuses, I do encourage doing something like this where you can have them organized and you can also have the description, because if you have the description, then you can put that in your sales materials or your emails or whatever it is that you are doing. So it just makes it a little bit easier. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to use bonuses, I want to recommend my Bonus Boost course. It's complete training on how to create bonuses quickly and easily and use them to get more customers and increase sales. And you can get this at amyharrop.com/go/bonus boost.